Depending on what class, most class I did number 2, but if I did not do number 2 on your, this will be on your test. Noah enjoys camping from and hiking from his campsite. His mom drove Noah 3 miles, so it's 3 plus because there's no per there, up the road to meet his friend Anya, who gave Noah a ride for another 2 miles. Notice there's no per, so we just put plus 2, 2 plus. And means plus. Dropped Noah off to hike with his group of friends. Noah hiked at a rate of 2 miles per hour. Per means times, times the number of hours. Okay, equals 2. Write an equation. Equation is equal sign. Find the total distance. So we're trying to find the total distance. So we gave it the letter D. Now, if I did not solve this in your class, this is like your other problems, because by my later periods, I figured you guys know how to do these already. But if you don't, because there's 2 plus signs, okay, you can get rid of any number you like. Okay, in some of the classes, we got rid of the 12, and some of the other, we got rid of the other one. But what I found that's easiest to get rid of is one of the variables, okay? So I'll do it the way I like doing it, but basically you can get rid of anything you like. I'll show you in the other one. In this case, I got rid of one of the variables. That's makes 0. 12.6 plus 0 is 12.6 equals to 9.6 plus, that's a 4x. Now I need to make 0 to 9.6 because that's like the other one, minus 9.6 minus 9.6. You get 3 here equals to 4x. Okay? Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals to 3 over 4. This is called one solution because you have one answer. Okay, that's called one solution. Okay, this one here, because of subtraction, you do additive inverse. Let's say you want to get rid of the ones without the variable first. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the negative 10x. I'm going to add 10.5. I'm going to add 10.5. That makes 0. Add 10.5 to the other side. I get 80. Hold on. 86.1. Okay, plus a negative 3.5x. And this is negative 12.11x plus 0 is negative 12.11x. Okay, you have to get rid of this one because this one has an x, so it's only working for this one. Okay, so you add 3.5x, add 3.5x. Okay, that's 0 there. 86.1 equals to 8.61x. Negative, because the bigger number takes the sign. Divide by negative 8.61. Divide by negative 8.61. That makes it equals to negative 10. One solution, because we have an answer. Okay? In some classes I did this, in some class I did not. Just in case you're not in the one class I did not. You always copy what's inside the parentheses. Those stays the same all the time. The other one, you multiply the least common denominator. In this case, it's 8, so cross cancel here. 4 times 1 is the 4. Okay, and cross cancel here. 2 times this 1 here is 2. So you write plus 2. At this time, you're going to distribute. This equal sign, distribute. Get 3x plus 24. Distribute, you get 4x plus 20 plus the 2. Now, this you need to leave alone. You can't do anything. This here are alike, so you need to combine that to 22. 4x equals to 3x plus 24. Okay, so you minus, doesn't matter which one you minus. Let's say you want to minus, I like minusing the variable first. Okay, and then I get 24 equals to 1x plus 22. minus 22, you get 2 equals to 1x. You divide by 1 and your answer is still 2. So there you go, it's your answer. All right. Most classes I did 1 and 3. I don't think I did 2 to any of the classes. So let's multiply negative 1 times 3h, you get negative 3h. Negative 1 times 7, you get a negative 7. Equals, these two are alike, that's 11, and that's 3h. Okay, that's like your other problem on the other side, huh, guys? Anyways, yes it is. Let's say, okay, didn't I do? I think it's on the green worksheet that we just did yesterday. Anyways, let's say you got rid of the variable first. You add 3x. Negative 7 equals 6h plus 11. Okay, minus 11 to both sides. Divide by 6. H equals to negative 3. Okay, number 4. You need to find least common denominator. Additive inverse first, of course. The least common denominator is 10. So you multiply all of them by 10. Okay, so you cross cancel here. You get 2. 2 times 3 is 6k plus a negative 10. All over 10, bring down the k.
Are you talking to the machine?
Yes, I'm recording. 5k plus 10 for the kids. This equals to 1, Oh, that's if we cross cancel, we get 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, so we didn't have to reduce. I didn't cross cancel, you see? If I cross cancel, it's a lot easier. This gets you 5k equals to 5k plus 10. Make 0 to the 5k minus 5k minus 5k. That's 0. 0 equals 0 add nothing is nothing equals to 0 plus 10 is 10. No solution. Okay? Alright. Quiz question, guys. Quiz question. You do additive inverse plus a negative. That's invisible 1. Distribute negative 2q. Distribute plus negative 5. Okay, bring down the 14 plus. These two are alike. We combine them to make 9 plus a negative 2q. Okay, bring down 2q plus 9. So you can see better. 2q plus 9. Okay, make 0 to any of them. I like making 0 to the variable first if they're on both sides. Nine plus 0 is 0, 9, and 0 plus 9 is 9, so this is infinite solution. This one here, you distribute first, negative 8x plus a negative 14. On the other side, there's nothing you can do, copy it. I like picking the variable 0 first, at 8x. 0 plus 14 is 14. This is 0 plus negative 14 is negative 14. They do not equal. This is no solution. Okay, number 7. You got fractions we want to get rid of. You need to multiply all of them. There's no parentheses, there's no saving any. Multiply all of them by the least common denominator of 14. Okay, cross cancel, that's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6p plus, okay, 12 times 14.
Students or teachers, if anyone has not taken their picture, please report to the NPR for your picture. If you have not taken your picture yet, NPR, please.
Uh-oh, that's me. All right, minus 168, minus 168. You get 173 negative, because when both negative stays a negative when you're adding and subtracting. 6p, divide by 6. Divide that by 6. Let's see. 173 divided by 6. Does it do evenly? No. It doesn't go in evenly. We'll just say p equals negative 173 over 6. Number 8, same thing. Least common additive inverse first, of course. Multiply all of it by 12 because the least common denominator is 12. That's 144 equals to cross cancel 2 times 5. 5 is 10 plus cross cancel 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9k. Subtract 10. 134 equals to negative 9k. Divide by negative 9. K equals 134. Okay. Now, the back side, I don't think in any class we did. I said no 10, no 12, right? Additive inverse. So, you do x plus 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 equals. Distribute. Oh, this, you can combine these two. 7x plus negative 6. You get 21 plus 7x. 21 plus 7x. Make the variable equals a 0 first, minus 7x. No solution, they don't equal, no solution. Number 11. Okay, quiz question. Well, you make sure you do additive inverse first of all. Always distribute first. It's 9x plus 12 negative 2x plus, okay, negative 5 plus negative 7x. Okay, let's combine all the like terms. This, and that. Well, that gets you 0. That gets you 0. 0 plus 12 plus negative 5. You get 7 equals to this 20. No solution. That's easy. Okay, additive inverse. Make sure you explain one thing you've learned. Okay, additive inverse. Okay, you guys finish this, okay? Negative 20x, positive 10. Negative and a negative. Negative and a negative is a positive. Equals to invisible 1, distribute, negative 10x, distribute, positive 9. Combine these, it's 19, negative 20x plus 19 equals to negative 10x plus 9. Make zeros to one of them. I like making zeros to the variable first. Negative 10x plus 19 equals to 0 plus 9 is 9. Minus 19, minus 19. you get -10 equals to -10. X divided by -10